What if a few smart kitchen gadgets could make cooking faster, easier, and almost effortless? We found 39 Amazon smart kitchen gadgets that can seriously upgrade your daily life. And gadget number 7 feels like it's straight from the future. Upgrade your kitchen with the Budurk 4-piece stainless steel sugar bowl set. Each 9.8-ounce container comes with a matching lid, spoon, and tag for easy labeling. Made from durable stainless steel with an elegant gold finish, these bowls are perfect for storing sugar, coffee, tea, spices, pepper, or herbs. Stylish, practical, and perfect for keeping your condiments organized. Upgrade your kitchen with the Ninja DCT45112 in one smart double oven, designed for maximum versatility and convenience. The innovative flex door lets you access the top or full oven easily, while smart finish and a built-in thermometer ensure perfect results every time. Enjoy rapid top convection and powerful air frying on the bottom for crispy, flavorful meals. With Flavor Seal technology and a sleek stainless steel design, this oven delivers professional cooking at home. Cook healthier with the Kitchen Academy 10-piece ceramic cookware set. These non-stick, induction-ready pots and pans feature a non-toxic ceramic coating that's free from PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, and PFOS. Durable, stylish, and easy to clean, perfect for everyday cooking. Make fun, homemade treats with the Maya-Woof popsicle molds. This 10-cavity BPA-free silicone ice pop maker comes with sticks, bags, reusable sticks, a funnel, brush, and recipes, perfect for creating healthy, delicious popsicles at home. Make delicious pizzas anywhere with the Flame King Tanner 12-inch portable propane pizza oven. Designed for camping, backyard, and tailgating, it features multiple air vents, piezo auto ignition, and a non-stick pizza stone for perfectly crispy pizzas every time. Cook with confidence using this 8-quart 3-ply stainless steel stock pot. Made with durable 1810 whole-clad stainless steel, it delivers even heat for perfect soups, pasta, and stews. Induction-ready, oven-safe, and dishwasher-safe, built for every modern kitchen. Preserve foods safely and easily with the Presto 23-quart digital pressure canner. Its precise digital controls automate the canning process for consistent results. Perfect for canning vegetables, meats, and more with reliable performance and large capacity. Enjoy perfect tea time with the Belanco 2.5L whistling tea kettle. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it features a loud whistle to alert you when water boils and a stylish wood-pattern folding handle for safe, easy pouring. Elegant, durable, and perfect for tea, coffee, or milk. Start your morning the smart way with the classic Retro 3-in-1 breakfast station. This versatile cooking station includes an egg and veggie steamer, a non-stick griddle for bacon or pancakes, and a wide 2-slot toaster with toasting control. Compact and stylish, it lets you prepare a complete breakfast quickly and conveniently, all in one place. Make perfect breakfast every time with this 4-pack silicone egg ring set. These non-stick, easy-to-use molds help you cook round eggs, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches, perfectly shaped to fit McMuffin-style biscuits. Cook like a pro with the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0. Powered by 1100 watts, it heats water quickly and keeps the perfect temperature for restaurant-quality meals every time. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control and monitor your cooking right from your phone. Just seal your food, set the temp, and enjoy perfectly tender, flavorful results. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with the JQ 4-tier rotating vegetable storage rack. Made from solid carbon steel, this no-assembly cart features smooth rolling wheels and spacious baskets for potatoes, onions, and fresh produce. Its sleek black design adds modern style while keeping everything within easy reach. Make dishwashing easier with the Mr.Siga soap dispensing palm brush storage set. The built-in soap dispenser delivers detergent with a simple press, while durable bristles tackle pots, pans, and sinks with ease. Complete with a neat holder, it keeps your kitchen clean, organized, and efficient. Keep your food, drinks, and skincare cool, or warm, anywhere with the Kulialai Mini Fridge. This portable 4L/6 fridge is perfect for bedroom, dorm, office, or car use, with 12 VAC DC power and an exclusive USB option. Compact, versatile, and ideal for drinks, snacks, or beauty products on the go. Easily bake fresh bread at home with the 5.2 QD electric dough maker. Featuring a ferment function, weighting system, and intuitive face-up touch panel, it ensures perfect dough every time. Made with durable 304 stainless steel, this dough maker is ideal for bread, pizza, and pastry enthusiasts. Slice, shred, and chop with ease using the Yucaba cabbage kitchen knife. Designed for fast, uniform cuts, it's perfect for coleslaw, sauerkraut, and fresh salads. Sharp, durable, and easy to handle, this all-in-one slicer saves time and delivers perfect results every time. Upgrade your drinks with the Tavolo Sphere Ice Molds, set of 2. These molds create large, slow-melting ice spheres that keep drinks colder longer without watering them down. Perfect for cocktails, whiskey, or iced coffee. Organize your spices in style with the 360 degrees rotating 2-tier spice rack. This revolving organizer holds 12 jars and spins effortlessly for easy access. Perfect for countertops or cabinets, it keeps your seasonings neatly arranged and within reach while cooking. Create adorable Japanese rice balls at home with this onigiri mold set. Made from natural bamboo, the medium-sized wooden molds help you shape perfect onigiri quickly and easily. Ideal for DIY bento lunches, picnics, and family snacks, this kit makes cooking fun for kids and adults. Simple, traditional, and beautifully handmade. Cook healthy, flavorful meals with the Cuisinart Cook Fresh digital glass food steamer. This 5-liter steamer features 5 pre-programmed settings for vegetables, seafood, and more, plus a convenient keep warm function and audible alerts. The dishwasher-safe glass pot makes cleanup easy, making it a smart, modern addition to any kitchen. Make opening jars, bottles, and cans effortless with the 2026 4-in-1 jar opener. Adjustable and made from durable stainless steel, it's perfect for seniors and anyone with arthritis. This versatile kitchen tool fits multiple sizes, giving you a safe, easy grip and saving time and effort in the kitchen. Serve soups hot and ready with the Sooklane 10.5-quart commercial soup warmer. Powered by 110V electricity, this large-capacity electric soup kettle is perfect for family gatherings, parties, and events. Featuring a stainless steel hinged lid, detachable pot, and 2 included ladles, it's portable, easy to clean, and keeps soups, stews, and sauces warm and delicious for hours. Grill delicious kebabs easily with this air fryer skewer rack. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, it holds 15 skewers and fits Instant Pot 8 QT air fryers. Perfect for evenly cooking chicken, meat, and barbecue right in your kitchen. Create your own beautiful candles at home with the KQU Candle Making Kit. This all-in-one DIY kit includes premium wax, glass jars, and a wax melter, making it easy for adults to craft custom candles. Perfect for art, crafts, gifts, or relaxing at-home projects, it brings creativity and style to every space. Start your day effortlessly with the Green Life 3-in-1 breakfast maker station. Featuring healthy ceramic non-stick dual griddles, it cooks eggs, meat, sausage, bacon, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches all at once. The 2-slice toast drawer and easy-to-use timer make breakfast prep simple and fast, helping you enjoy a delicious, complete meal in one convenient station. Keep your spices neat and accessible with this multifunctional kitchen spice rack. Featuring a double-layer, 4-grid design with included spoons, it organizes your condiments perfectly on cabinets, walls, or countertops. Punch-free installation and sleek gray finish make it a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. Enjoy delicious homemade hot pot with the Dezen Electric Shabu Shabu Pot. Featuring a spacious 4-liter removable nonstick pot, it makes cooking and cleaning effortless. The dual power control lets you adjust heat for perfect simmering, while the tempered glass lid helps lock in flavor. Ideal for parties, family dinners, and friendly gatherings, it brings warmth and convenience to every meal. Upgrade your space with the EKO Mirage T touchless trash can. With a large 50-liter capacity and motion sensor technology, it opens hands-free for a cleaner, more hygienic experience. The sleek rectangular design with a brushed stainless steel finish looks modern in any kitchen or office. Quiet, convenient, and stylish, waste disposal made smarter. Upgrade your kitchen prep with this Acacia cutting board meal prep system. Featuring built-in containers with lids for interchangeable graters and 2 plastic boards for meat, it keeps prep organized and mess-free. Juice grooves capture liquids, while the durable design makes chopping, grating, and storing food faster and cleaner. An all-in-one prep station for any kitchen. Experience clean, effortless slicing with this foldable manual bread slicer, designed for homemade and sourdough loaves. Featuring dual German RSG blades, it delivers precise, even cuts every time. The adjustable thickness scale lets you customize each slice, while the hand crank system ensures smooth, controlled operation. Built with a durable aluminum alloy body and a beautiful acacia wood base, it folds compactly for easy storage, perfect for fresh bread done right. Bring leftover pizza back to life with the Pizza Pack pizza plate. This microwave and oven-safe metal tray helps reheat pizza with a crispy crust, while the silicone edge ensures safe handling. It's reusable, dishwasher-safe, and perfect for quick, delicious reheating. Enjoy refreshing frozen treats at home with this snow cone machine. Powered by a 300W motor with 2000 R/min speed, it quickly crushes ice using sharp stainless steel blades for smooth shaved ice. Perfect for making snow cones, slushies, and icy desserts in seconds. It also includes a free ice pick and ice cube tray, making it a convenient and fun addition to any kitchen. Take hot or cold meals anywhere with the Energifi 24-ounce vacuum-insulated food jar. Made from BPA-free stainless steel, it keeps soups and lunches hot or cold for hours. The wide mouth, leak-proof design, and included folding spoon make it perfect for adults on the go. Make meal prep fast and easy with the Bear food processor. Powered by a 400W motor, it quickly chops meat, vegetables, and baby food with 2 stainless steel blade sets. The 8-cup and 2.5-cup glass bowls and 2-speed control give you perfect results for both small and large batches. Upgrade your hygiene routine with this automatic foaming soap dispenser. Featuring a digital display and 6 adjustable foam levels, it delivers the perfect amount every time. The 12.8-ounce rechargeable design is wall-mounted and completely touchless for hands-free convenience. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, hotels, and restaurants, clean, modern, and effortlessly efficient. Cook more at once with this double-layer steamer basket. Made from durable stainless steel, its expandable design, 5.4 to 11 inches, fits most pots and instant pots. The 2-in-1 large capacity lets you steam vegetables, seafood, dumplings, or baby food quickly and evenly. Make food prep fun and easy with this elephant drainage vegetable washing basket. Perfect for rinsing fruits, vegetables, pasta, and noodles, it features a clever elephant-shaped spout for quick draining. Compact, lightweight, and stylish in green, it's a cute and practical addition to any kitchen. Wash, drain, and store fresh fruits with ease using this upgraded fruit washing bowl with strainer. Made from BPA-free materials, it features a built-in drain basket, lid with ice compartment, and a foldable handle for easy carrying. Perfect for berries, fridge storage, picnics, and outdoor trips. Stop messy oil splatters with this 13-inch silicone splatter screen. Designed to fit most 10 to 12-inch pans, it protects your stovetop while letting steam escape. The heat-resistant silicone, foldable handle with sleeves, and dishwasher-safe design make cooking safer, cleaner, and more convenient. Make produce cleaning faster and easier with the EKZ Sonic Fruit Vegetable Cleaning Brush. Delivering up to 8,000 vibrations per minute, It efficiently removes dirt with food-grade bristles that are safe for your fruits and veggies. USB-C rechargeable, waterproof, and featuring 3 cleaning modes, it's a smart upgrade for every kitchen. Make fresh, healthy drinks at home with the Bear 8 in 1-nut milk maker. With a 40 Oz/1.2 L capacity, it effortlessly prepares soy, almond, oat milk, soups, juices, and other plant-based beverages. Features like self-cleaning, 12-hour delay, 6-hour keep warm, and one-touch operation make it convenient and hassle-free. Enjoy homemade, preservative-free drinks anytime with ease. Keep your microwave clean and your food perfectly heated with this microwave splatter cover. The clear lid lets you see your food while preventing messy splatters, and the built-in water steamer helps keep meals moist and delicious. With a convenient integrated handle, it's easy to lift safely after heating. Designed to fit 10-inch plates and a 12 mat, this BPA-free kitchen essential makes reheating faster, cleaner, and more convenient every day. Meet the KATCHENDO glass sugar dispenser, a stylish and practical upgrade for your kitchen. Made from durable borosilicate glass, it features a side pour spout for smooth, mess-free pouring and a built-in lid that helps slow down moisture. With easy-to-read measuring marks and a BPA-free design, Honey Dispenser. Add a touch of elegance to your table with the glass honey dispenser, a stunning blend of style and function. Featuring a chrome-plated ABS lid and stainless steel shaft, this no-drip design lets you pour honey or maple syrup with perfect control. The beautiful honeycomb glass body holds up to 8 ounces and sits gracefully on its matching stand, keeping your countertop clean and classy. Sweet, sleek, and effortless, the glass honey dispenser turns every drizzle into a golden moment of perfection. Enjoy mess-free snacking with the Leuven 34-ounce pickle jar with strainer flip. Its clever hourglass design separates pickles from brine. Just flip to drain and flip back to store. Made from durable glass with a leak-proof, airtight lid, it keeps olives, jalapenos, and sliced pickles fresh. Dishwasher safe and easy to use, it's smart storage made simple. Prepare healthy, fresh meals for your little one with the Bear Baby Food Maker. This all-in-one set includes a baby food processor, storage containers, silicone spoons, and a puree blender for fruits, vegetables, and meats. Make nutritious, homemade baby food quickly and safely every day. Handle hot dishes safely with these stainless steel anti-scalding bowl and plate gripper clips. Designed for a secure grip, they let you easily lift hot plates or bowls from the Instant Pot, microwave, or oven. Durable, compact, and heat-resistant, they make serving hot food safer and more convenient. Upgrade your kitchen with this 4-in-1 colander with bowl set. Perfect for washing rice, pasta, fruits, and vegetables, it works as a strainer, cleaner, and serving bowl in one. Stylish, durable, and easy to use, it's an aesthetic cooking essential and a thoughtful gift for any modern kitchen.